The best time stock prices go up and the best time stock prices come down annually is what I am going to talk to you about in this YouTube video today. There are times in the year that the prices of stocks or shares go up. At such a time, those who have shares that would want to sell can sell at the high price. There is a particular time in the year also that the price of shares come down. So those who want to buy into the shares of that company can buy into the company. I am going to explain the times and how you can know when to come in to buy and to sell right now. Do you know the best time stock prices go up and the best time stock prices come down annually? That is exactly what you are going to expose in this article. This singular information can position you well for money making in the stock market. Why do we need to know the best time stock prices go up and the best time stock prices come down annually? Stock traders are always advised to buy shares when the price is low and to sell shares when the price is high. This is the fundamental reason why we need to know when stock prices go up and come down annually. The essence of this knowledge is to make profits from stock trading. Many people make a living from buying and selling shares. This set of people know when to buy and when to sell. When is the best time for stock prices to go up and when is the best time stock prices come down? The price of stocks go up annually when the dividend or bonus are declared and the buying and selling of those shares are still open. Companies that make profits give out bonuses and or dividends to their shareholders in order to reward their financial support for the company. The share price of companies that do not do well go down when dividends are not declared. Non-performing companies do not give dividends nor bonus to their shareholders. When they declare a loss, the price of their share drops, and anyone who is interested in buying at that time can buy when the price drops. Shareholders who desire to sell their shares at higher prices should sell them when dividends are declared. Such shareholders will not be paid the dividend. It is the new buyer of the shares that will get the dividend. We need to get something clear here. When dividends or bonus shares are declared and the books of the company are still open for buyers and sellers, the company shares rise. This is because of the declared dividends and bonuses. I'll take that again. We need to get something clear here. When dividends or bonus shares are declared and the books of the company are still open for buyers and sellers, the price of the shares of the company will go up. This is because of the declared dividends and bonus. Some people who need money cash out at that time. The cash out at such times ensures they make many profits or returns on their investments. Some other people who desire the return on investment given out by the company also use the opportunity of the same period to buy into the company in the form of shares. The share price may be expensive at that point, but it sure will be worth the price when you consider the dividend and bonus that will be enjoyed by the new buyer immediately. When will information on dividends and bonuses be available? Bonuses and dividend information of companies are usually made public. The time when the books of the company will be closed for dividend payout is usually made public and specified. The time lags between 10 to 12 working days. So in that window, anybody cannot buy or sell the share of the company. So that's the time those people that have share, they give them dividend. So most sellers and buyers will buy or sell before that window. Many stockbroking firms have all this information on their websites. The timing for declaration is usually around the same period each year. Once you have the information for the current year, you can track when the declaration of the payment will be made next year and subsequently. In conclusion, the best time stock prices go up and the best time stock prices come down annually is when dividends or bonus are given by the company. Therefore, position yourself to buy and sell and do what? And make a good return on all your investment. My name is Olugbenga Adetitun and your host on this Olugbenga Adetitun YouTube channel. Please, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I want to share this video. I want you to like this video. I want you to also subscribe to this YouTube channel and drop your comment in the comment section below. I'm going to come your way again soon. Bye for now.